Hello, Amber. I just watched your mini TED Talk, and I absolutely agree with you on what you said. Deforestation is very much a big problem, and is very much a human problem because it is something that we have mostly contributed to, unfortunately. What was great about your work was that it's relatable, right? Um, for me, I'm doing deer overpopulation for mine, and ironically enough, what I found in my research while I've been doing it over this 5 week course is that deer have also contributed in some way, shape, or form to deforestation because they prefer certain trees over others. So, like in my TED talk, I talk about how there are less wild oaks in the forests now because deer love those, but you're seeing increases in like beech and ash and other things like that, right? But biodiversity. Um, and so I could relate to it because it was very much in tune with kind of what I've kind of been doing, but on a much grander scale. With yours, it was human issues that caused deforestation, and just like with that, human issues with deer population has also been the prevalence. The difference I would say is that with mine, um, ours came from a place of goodness, but we let it slip out of our hands. But what does good for you is you start off by saying, hey, these are what trees are good for. And you list off a lot of things that, yes, trees are good for. And then you go right into it. You don't hold your punches. You basically state, listen, if we don't turn ourselves around, we're not going to have an earth to live on. And just like another TED talk I listened to, it elicited that response of, I would love to be able to at some point, when I have kids, sit there and tell them, yes, this is a forest. These are certain trees. These are the animals that live in this forest, But if we keep doing this deforestation, it's going to eventually destroy, not just the wildlife and the biodiverse ecosystems within it, but our planet as a whole. And we may not be here um, to say that to our children and grandchildren. And I think you did a very good job with that. So I hope you have a good day. Bye.